Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today I got a new grill to show you guys. This is Weber's new grill for 2019 and I'm super excited about it because it's got a new function. So let's open up the box, assemble the grill and then take a closer look. Don't show it yet, Moslem. Don't show this yet. This is what we're going to show later. Whoa! Eat me! This thing has a mind of its own. Spring-loaded grill. Stay there. And now the finishing touch, the emblem. All right, looking good. This thing looks amazing.
Was it easy?
It was quite okay. It was a little bit of a challenge to get the lid on properly. You have to fiddle with it, make sure that it sits properly onto the grill, and it takes a little bit of time. So if you're gonna assemble this grill, take your time, take it easy, maybe do it with 2 persons, and you're gonna be fine. We'll put the charcoal grate in, our smoke ring, and this is the new item, the heat deflector. The stainless steel grill grates, and of course, well known, the Weber cast iron shear grate. I forgot one thing, this was still in the box. It's a little plate that you can put on here. Let me show you. You can just screw it on. And guess what? You can put the thermometer there. I got one, I think I still have one. It's kind of cool.
So you already have the laser. Why do you need another one?
No comment. No, this one is different. This is like a super awesome grill, but this one has new features, the new one. Because of the smoking setting, which we're gonna test, and the hinge. I'm super excited about this ring. We can put our charcoal briquettes in here, put the heat deflector on, and then it should burn for a really long time. There's only one way to find out if this grill can smoke for a long time with this setup, and that is by lighting it up. Let's put in these long burning coconut briquettes. We'll put a fire starter in, maybe 2, light them up. This position is the best way to light up these slow burning briquettes. Our briquettes are lit up enough, time to put our heat deflector in. That's it, now we wait. We'll set it to 110 degrees Celsius and then we'll wait until it's finished.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. This is the test.
I came here for breakfast.
Yeah, well, it's lunchtime already, Marcel. I'm guessing this is going to take around 8 hours for it to burn up. Maybe longer.
8 hours?
Yeah, 8 hours. We're going to be here for a long time, Marcel.
I got homework.
Homework. That's a good one. Our Rebel Master Touch Premium is up to temperature. Let's perform the smoke test. We'll put in a handful of wood chips, let the thing smoke to crazy, and see if we got any leaks. And you can see that, of course, it's leaking through the vent. That's what it's there for. But we can also see a little bit of leakage on the side. Even though I thought I set it to perfection, it's still leaking a little bit. On this side, it's not leaking. On this side, it's leaking a little bit. If I push it down, it closes up. So maybe I can do a little bit of a better job of setting the lid on top of the grill, because one side is smoking and the other side is not. So that means it can close off completely. You just gotta get it right. And now we wait until it stops cooking or the temperature drops below 110 degrees Celsius.
Where's the meat?
Is it,
for meat?
this is a test video. You're hungry? I still have crocodile cheeks in the fridge.
Not reptiles again.
You want food? When I offer to cook you something, you don't want it. Trust me, I think these crocodile cheeks are going to be good. especially when I really appreciate the cheeks from the pigs. They're even better than spare ribs, so I think the crocodile cheeks are going to be really good. These are our crocodile cheeks. I love beef cheeks, I love pig cheeks, so my guess is the crocodile cheeks are going to be pretty good. And if you see that intermuscular fat that's in here, that's a good sign. We'll season these with our bombastic barbecue rub just to spice them up.
So how many millions did you make out of the rubs?
How many millions? Oh, come on, man. I think last month I made just enough to use a few jars myself. Our grill is running at a perfect temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. Let's open it up, put the crocodile cheeks in, close the lid and let them smoke at a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius, which is 225 degrees Fahrenheit. But the animation is right there, so we don't have to say that.
It's not there, it's there.
It's there?
Yeah.
You put it there. So I don't have to do it again.
No, never.
So I have to close the lid now. Okay,
Yeah.
close the lid. Keep the lid closed. It's still running at a perfect 110 degrees Celsius. Look at the color that we've gotten on our cheeks. Time to take them off because we kept the smoke flavor. Now we want to wrap them up. We'll put some barbecue sauce on top. There we go. Look at that, nice thick, lots of sugar. So I'll put this back on the grill and continue cooking at a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. Our crocodile cheeks have been cooking for a total time of 6 hours. I want to check in on them, see how they're doing. Our kettle grill is still running at the same temperature for all that time. You want to check on the briquettes? Nice. This means we can run, I think, for another 2 hours or so. So that's going to be a total of 8 hours. And I like how the way the heat spread out and it lit up all of the briquettes. So that is really a good sign. You can see juices. This is looking promising. Do you see how the barbecue sauce starting to lump up onto the crocodile cheeks? At this stage I want to see how tender they are. And I'm not using my thermometer, I'm using 2 forks. Whoa, absolutely no pressure at all. Fall apart. It does look a little bit dry on the inside. That's probably because it's crocodile and not pork. But hey, you want to see what it's like? Tasty, but a bit dry. I don't think crocodile cheeks are any good for low and slow. So either you try this or you don't try, but then you also don't get to try the A5 Wagyu.
Okay, give me. No.
It's not even close.
No.
It's not even tasty. The flavor is good.
Yeah, because of the rub.
Yeah, because of the rub and the sauce and the flavor is fantastic, but it's super dry.
It's the driest thing I've ever tasted.
Well, you should try a shoe. It's even better.
Almost made a really dirty joke. But
And now I want to hear it.
No.
Yes.
It has something to do with my ex.
We can always... Oh, no, never mind. Can't you take it home and feed it to a friend that has no taste buds?
I have a cat.
You think your cat's going to eat this?
No, my cat has good taste.
Sometimes, you know, it's a shame. I think we should have done something different with crocodile. I never tried crocodile cheeks before, so I had to try. You want to get some fries and frikandel?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, basically this was a horrible cook. And it happens, you know, it happens to me, it happens to everybody, even the best chefs. Yes, even to Gordon Ramsay. It happens to everybody. But, you know, cooking crocodile cheeks for the first time, I expected a little bit more out of it than just having no fat and nothing in there. It looked really good. I thought, you know, there's intermuscular fat in there and that's gonna work out, but there wasn't really anything in there. It didn't work. So back to pork cheeks, back to beef. Morrison said, no more reptiles. I guess the next video won't be a reptile then. Let's talk about the grill though, because It did a fantastic job. It kept super stable, and I was amazed about that. You know, I've been cooking on Kettle grills for a long time, but this Weber setup that they've got right now, this thing is a beast. Absolutely fantastic. And I love this feature where the hinge can be lifted up with one finger, put down with one finger. Absolutely fantastic. This grill has so much going for it. Absolutely beautiful. They got their little holder here. And of course, I'm working with Weber to create this video, you know, in all honesty and openness. But still, I'm impressed. So go check out the grill. Make sure you find it. Sorry, Marcel.
Come on.
I'll turn off my phone. I got face recognition. So please guys, check out the grill. There's a link down below in the video description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The grill is freaking awesome. Thank you patrons and YouTube members for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next episode. In the meantime, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.